Hey everyone, I know I said I would do that for you of how to put your stuff away, ready for winter. Well, I already took care of the weed whacker and chainsaw, but I'll tell you anyways. I ran the saw gas, poured it back in the can, and then ran that until it was out of gas. And then same for the weed whacker. I poured the gas back in the can from the weed whacker, and then ran that with it until that was out of gas. And then, but I'll show you what it's like. To add stable to your lawnmower and push more. But but as for the weed whacker and saw, just kind of think as or picture it as, pouring the gas back into the gas can and then run them until they're out of gas, and completely empty. And then, but I definitely would show you of what it's like to do your tractor and push more. So anyways, tonight I went to the store and then picked up myself a little magazine here. Sons of Anarchy. It's the collector's edition. I really like Sons of Anarchy. It's the TV show that I always watch on Tuesday nights. But so anyways, that's what I did tonight here. But maybe tomorrow I'll show you what it's like to do that. To add stable to your gas and everything, and then I'll talk to you guys next time. Until then, alright? And then on this Friday is Halloween. But I'll talk to you guys maybe until Friday. Alright, see ya.